Hello YouTube, I'm going to read about eclipse from Wikipedia, the Freedom's Life Media. This article is about astronomical eclipses. Further uses see eclipse, disambiguation. Total eclipse, regards here for uses of total eclipse, disambiguation. An eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when an astronomical object is temporarily obscured, either by passing into the shadow of another body or by having another body pass between it and view. An eclipse is a type of size of view. The term eclipse is most often used to describe another solar eclipse, when the moon's shadow crosses the Earth's surface, or lunar eclipse, when the moon moves into the Earth's shadow. However, it can also refer to such events beyond the Earth-Moon system, for example, a planet moving into the shadow cast by one of its moon elements, a moon passing into the shadow cast by its host planet, or a moon passing the shadow of another moon. A binary star system can also produce eclipses if the plane of the orbit of its constituent stars intersects the observer's position. Contents at all. The term is derived from the ancient Greek noun eclipsis, which means the abandonment, the downfall, or the darkening of a heavenly body, which is derived the verb eclipio, which means to abandon, to darken, or to cease to exist. A combination of prefix ek from preposition ek, out, and verb to be absent. Eclipse cycles, Earth-Moon system, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, historical record, gas giants, Mars, Pluto, Mercury and Venus, eclipse binaries. A binary star system consists of two stars that orbit around their common center of mass. The movement of both stars lie on a common orbital plane in space. When this plane is very closely aligned with the location of an observer, the stars can be seen to pass in front of each other. The result is a type of extrinsic variable star system called an eclipsing binary. The maximum luminosity of an eclipsing binary system is equal to the sum of the luminosity contributions from the individual stars. When the individual stars, when one star passes in front of the other, the luminosity of the system is seen to decrease. The luminosity returns to normal once the two stars are no longer in alignment. The first eclipsing binary star system to be discovered was Algol, a star system in the constellation Perseus. No, this star system has a visual magnitude of 2.1. However, every 2.867 days, the magnitude decreases to 3.4 for more than 9 hours. This is caused by the passage of the dimmer members of the pair in front of the brighter star. The concept of an eclipsing body caused these luminosity variations was introduced by John Godric in 1793. References. The World and Night Eclipse Calendar. Solar. An observer from the Earth, a solar eclipse. As an observer from the Earth, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes in front of the sun. The type of solar eclipse event depends on the distance of the moon from the Earth during the event. A total solar eclipse occurs when the Earth intersects the upper portion of the moon's shadow. When the umbra does not reach the surface of the Earth, the sun is often particularly occulted, resulting in an annual eclipse. Partial solar eclipses occur when viewers inside the penumbra. The eclipse magnitude is the fraction of the sun's diameter that is covered by the moon. For a total eclipse, the value is always greater than or equal to 1 or in both annular and total eclipses. The eclipse magnitude is a ratio of the angular sizes of the moon to the sun. Solar eclipses are relatively brief events that can only be viewed in totality along a relatively narrow track under a force. Given the circumstances, a total solar eclipse can last for 7 minutes. 31 seconds can be viewed along a track that is up to 250 kilometers wide. However, the region where a partial eclipse can be observed is much larger. The moon's umbra will advance eastward at a rate of 1,700 kilometers an hour until it no longer intersects the Earth's surface. During a solar eclipse, the moon can sometimes perfectly cover the sun because its size is nearly the same as the sun's when viewed from the Earth. The total solar eclipse is in fact an oscillation while an annular solar eclipse is a transit. When observed at points in space rather than the Earth's surface, the sun can be eclipsed by bodies other than the moon. 2 examples include when the crew of Apollo 12 observed the Earth to eclipse the sun in 1969, and when Cassini probe observed Saturn to eclipse the sun in 2006. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipses occur when the moon fades through the Earth's shadow. This occurs only when the moon is on the far side of the Earth. The sun's lunar eclipses only occur when there is a full moon. Like a solar eclipse, an eclipse of the moon can be observed from nearly an entire hemisphere. For this reason, it is much more common to observe a lunar eclipse from a given location. The lunar eclipse also lasts longer, taking several hours to complete, with totality itself usually averaging anywhere from about 30 minutes to over an hour. There are 3 types of lunar eclipses. Penumbra, when the moon crosses only the Earth. Penumbra, partial, when the moon crosses particularly to the Earth's umbra, and total, when the moon crosses entirely to the Earth's umbra. Lunar eclipses so fast below 3 phases even until the moon can show the moon is on top of the dark sun reflection of the Earth's atmosphere. Portion of the umbra provides change in illumination, which is the sense of the atmosphere changes more strongly. Schedule a shorter wavelength, so the illumination of the moon between light as red and blue. Hue has a red hue, when this phase blue beam must found the description of such lunar events as far back as the eclipse recorded. Interesting.